Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am going to have a very short video today, but I promised it is full of information. Stick around. Okay guys, so as you can see, when we purchase flowers, they are so cute and so, full of shape and everything. And then you save them to use them when you really need them, and you find out that they are like this. You see, no shape, all folded, but they're still in very good shape. So what you do, don't throw them away. I want to show you how to fix that. So some of you crafters might have this item at home, which is what you use to do the embossing. It's a heat tool. If you don't have this, don't worry about it. You can just use your hair dryer. That will work as good as this one. So what we do is flip your flower over. Hang on a second, let me just get one at a time. So you flip your flower over like this, turning your heating tool and start putting heat on the back of the flower. So you put heat on it all around. Make sure you don't get it too close because this tool will burn your flower. So when it's done, then you just flip it over to the other side, which is still a little damaged. So you put some more heat on it. And go around it. You get too close and it starts kind of like getting too hot, but you see, you just have to go back every single side of it and make sure that you do get everything. Of course, it's not gonna be perfect because they are silk flowers. Sorry. There you go. You see, it is perfect now. Good as new. So as you can see, the flower went back to the normal shape that it should have, which it looks better. This is one of them, and this is the one I just fixed. You can see the difference, and on the bottom they also look almost perfect. Of course, like I said before, they're not gonna be perfect because they are not perfect, but it is gorgeous and it's a full bloom. There you have it. So just to fix it, it will take you about 3 minutes and it's gonna be as good as new. See you next time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my family. I would love if you refer me to your friends and family so I can grow, and I will start to give giveaways of the items that I might be making. Thank you. See you next time.